Have the Logitech M220 Silent touch mouse. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So taking a look at the box here. Have the mouse right here. And have the information booklet. Let's just check. See if there's anything else in here. Doesn't look like there is. Okay, so we'll put these off to the side. So again, we have the information booklet here for warranty. Here we have the mouse. Yep, as you can see here, M220, and this is supposed to be a silent touch mouse, which you can kind of hear. Let's go ahead, pull the tab out. Let's switch this to the on position. Let's see, yep, the battery is there. We do have the USB-A receiver right there, which is good. And looks like it's just, according to the box, it should just be USB that you connect. This one is not a Bluetooth mouse like the M240. And that is it. That is the quick unboxing here for the Logitech M220 Silent Touch Mouse.